You've got a big launch coming. New product, new features, maybe a whole new positioning. The announcement goes out, gets a few likes, and then disappears. Adoption stalls, sales can't explain it, and customers don't even know it exists. We're here to fix that. At Videodeck, we create end-to-end launch content packages. Everything you need to make sure your product gets noticed, understood, and adopted. Pre-launch, we got your teaser videos, internal training, and sales enablement. Launch day, you'll have product announcements, demo walkthroughs, social content kits. And yes, you're also taken care of post-launch. We'll produce a series of onboarding videos, feature deep dives, and customer tutorials. We handle the scripting, the production, the graphics, literally the whole thing. You focus on the product and we'll make sure the world actually sees it. And we move fast because we know launches don't wait. Your product deserves better than a blog post and a press release. It deserves video content that shows what it does, why it matters, and how it works in a format people actually watch. So whether it's a major release or a feature update, let's make sure it lands. Let's build launch content that drives adoption, not just awareness. Schedule a call to plan your next launch.